darkness tries to roll over my bones, when sorrow comes to steal the joy I own, when brokenness and pain is all I know, I won't be shaken, no, I won't be shaken, 'cause my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. Stand in your love. Shame no longer has a place to hide, and I am not a captive to the lies. Oh, I'm not afraid to leave my past behind. Oh, I won't be shaken, no, I won't be shaken, 'cause my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. There's power that can break off every chain. There's power that can empty out a grave. There's resurrection power that can save. There's power in your name, power in your name. There's power that can break off every chain. There's power that can empty out a grave. There's resurrection power that can save. Power in your name, power in your name. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. Oh, my doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. My fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. And my fear doesn't stand a chance when I stand in your love. I'm standing in your love. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Stand in Your Love by Josh Baldwin. If you want to learn that arrangement, there's a link down in the description below. Also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. You might have seen me using some chords you didn't recognize in this cover. That's because this is an advanced acoustic guitar cover. If you want to learn some of those chords that I just played, I'll show them to you. Just click the link in the description below. I'll send you the free PDF. You can start implementing a few advanced guitar chords to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Till I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.